This was my favorite look that I did in Hawaii, so let's just show you how I did it. I'm sorry, my voice is really nasally. I've been sick for the past 2.5 weeks. Awful. I started with the bronzing drops from Drunk Elephant, obviously. I put that all over. And then I did MAC Studio Radiance Foundation in NC20. I did a really sheer layer. I didn't want to be too heavy. I just wanted but this is where Hourglass Vanish Concealer, this is where I get really the most coverage. And I do that in the center of my face. And then for my bronzer, I did the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzing stick. Oh my god, obsessed. It's so creamy. It's pigmented, but not so insane. Whatever. I'm so excited to just keep using this. And then I set the center of my face, and then the excess powder I set all over my face so that when I put the powder bronzer on, it's not patchy. And I use the MAC Sunstruck bronzer in matte medium golden. And then I use these two Too Faced blushes. They're just my newest obsession right now. They're my newest blushes, so I mean, they're so pigmented. They blend really well. I have nothing bad to say about them. They're great. And then I kind of just take the excess powder that I had on my sponge and blend that out a little bit just so it kind of melts into the skin a little bit more. I use Anastasia Brow Wiz in Soft Brown, and then everyone always asks me what my favorite brow gel is. This is it. I've been using it for years, the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. I always clean up my brows with some concealer underneath with a flat liner brush, and then I use that same powder bronzer that I used around my face just to kind of give my eyes a little more definition. And I thought I was going to do this to Nani by Saweetie, and so that's why I'm dancing. Anyway, this highlighter made me run out of Sephora. I literally had to force myself out. This, when I swatched it on my hand, looked so wet. It's the One Size Wicked highlighter. Oh my god. I put it everywhere that I wanted to just look shiny and sweaty. I wanted to look like I was on the island. Oh my god, and this was the main part of my look. I scoured LA for this. Obviously, I did my mascara. This is Kristen lip liner, and I did Love Tint by Benefit in the center. You have to get the lip kit for the lip liner, but it's just my favorite red. I cannot say enough good things. It's the perfect strawberry color. Anyway, that's the completed look. I felt so hot all day. Oh yeah, and then I went in with the Sol de Janeiro, their new summer, I don't know, the pink one. And then I wanted to look glowy, obviously, to match my face. Put their Firmeza body oil, and that's the final look.